To London Victoria, departing from platform 2A. Platform 1 for the 1600 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Clapham Junction, you will need to travel. The next train to leave platform 1 is the 1600 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to London Victoria, departing from platform 2A,